Molecular resolution in 3D, ready to use. MINFLUX 3D offers nanometric molecular resolution along all spatial dimensions. Nuclear pore complexes are an ideal test sample because of their size and their well-known three-dimensional structure. Labeling for MINFLUX is a breeze. It's pretty much standard labeling for light microscopy. The MINFLUX microscope is also a widefield, a confocal, and a STED microscope. We start by finding a cell, we focus, we pick a region of interest, and we start MINFLUX. During the measurement, the active stabilization system keeps the sample absolutely still. The result is a list of localizations with precisions better than 3 nanometers in 3D, acquired with minimal photon fluxes. This way, we directly get a clear view into one of the tiniest machines of the cell. You can see the octagonal symmetry, the 2 planes of the nuclear pore complex. You can measure spacing, distances, orientations, all on a level of a few nanometers. MINFLUX is the world's most powerful fluorescence microscope.